everyone, good morning. So today we are going to do writing. Okay, now if you can see my screen, writing. And we will be using your three line book. Okay, so let's see. Observe the picture carefully. All right. There is this picture and you need to write the sentence. But before that, let's see what is here. We have a boy, there's a crowd, it's raining. There's another boy, he's playing with the boat. There are ducks here. There are two girls holding an umbrella with her boots. With their boots, they're playing in the puddle. There are also mushrooms and frog. Right, let's think of three sentences that you can make from the picture. And then you will write the three sentences on your handwriting book with the correct lines. Okay, so Miss Mac will help you to have a look at your writing and also for spelling. Let's see, what can you talk about in the picture? There is a green frog. Yeah, you can write that. There is a green frog. It is a raining day. Right? And you can say there are many clouds. You can say the boy is playing with the boat. There are ducks. The girls are holding umbrella. Okay, or the boy is playing with the puddle. Right? There's so many things you can write about this picture. Just write only three sentences and write it with your full stop. Don't forget your finger spacing and your capital letters. Right? Okay, so have fun writing, children. Bye.